Hello! In today's video, we will talk about how to import a custom static mesh into Replikant. First, your custom mesh must be a GLB file. If it is not a GLB, if it's an FBX or an OBJ, you can convert it to a GLB easily in Blender. And I will show you how to do that. First, open Blender. Then we will go to File, Import, FBX. We are going to import these sunglasses. Now we are going to go to File, Export, GLB. We're just going to name the file sunglasses and click Export. Alright, now that our GLB is exported, let's go back into Replikant. We're going to go to MISC, GLTF, and now navigate to where you saved your GLB file. And click Open. Alright, and now your sunglasses are in the scene. Now our sunglasses are in the scene. And the pivot point is basically where we want it, in the middle of the object. If the pivot point does not come in centered, you can go here, click Edit Pivot, move the pivot point around, and when it's where you want it to be, click Edit Pivot again. Now you can use your custom mesh as a decoration in your scene, you can use it as a prop, or you can attach it to your character. So since these are sunglasses, I'm going to show you how to attach them to your character so that they can wear them. To do that, we're going to click on the prop, go to Attachments, Parents, and we're going to select our character. And then under Socket, we're going to want to attach them to his head. Now as you can see, the mesh is not oriented properly. So now we need to properly orient it. Once you have it oriented the way you like, now if I play this animation again, you'll see that the glasses will move with him. And that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.